Hey guys, we're back again with another video on the GG Studios channel, and today I thought I would do a Hunter Call of the Wild Trophy Lodge tour. So I hope you guys enjoy. This is my collision mount with a gold and 2 golds. One is a puma and one's a blacktail deer. I had a whitetail mount and I have the little one in the back, who is a silver, and the other 2 are golds. Just a random gold moose that was. Kudu, some rabbits, springbok up there in the corner, grumpy geese, so placeholders until I get better ones, piebald, axis deer, this is a pretty good one. Then I have 2 gold blue normal common blue wildebeest, and I have a gold silver, and if you didn't know, the gold is the fur type and silver is the radiant. And it's a dilute mule deer, I think it's a gold, yeah, and a beige gemsbok male. And this is my first diamond, but I don't really count it because it's a duck. It's pretty easy. And then a comparison, this was almost a diamond. I think it was 15 off of a diamond, 15 score, and compared to the other, and they're both 2 medium or 2 easies, but just the difference, that one's so much bigger. Then over here we just have a random coyote and my gold female fox, another gold moose, gray female puma, so it's only silver, and a gold, I believe, Roosevelt elk, pretty sure. And I have it in this pose because I just think it looks kind of funny. And 2 more gold Roosevelt elk. I have I don't remember what this mount's called. I think it's called Lookout. And a rare springbok. This is a more recent one. I thought it was pretty cool. It was just standing out for me. 2 harlequin ducks. Piebald red deer female. My first official diamond that I actually count. I accidentally brain shotted this, and I was so lucky I did. This was in the old scoring system, which otherwise it wouldn't have counted as a brain shot for a diamond. It would have put it as a gold. That was super lucky. Gold blacktail deer, just random. A gold kudu that I followed the tracks for like an hour or 2, because it had max weight estimate tracks, but it was only a level 4. And I have a diamond Iberian wolf, the Phantasma. These are from the story mission, so I also don't really count that diamond. And this room over here, this moose up here, I think. Yeah, this moose. I know it's kind of smaller, but I just have it in there because my cousin, he shot that when I was playing with him and I was helping him. This is my first diamond, second official diamond that I count, but my first diamond water buffalo, and it was an orange, so it's pretty cool for your first to not just be a normal average one, to have a uncommon, at least, not really rare, but to get a diamond with one is pretty cool, or at least I think. And then over here, this is a random rabbit and a red male cinnamon teal, and on the males, the red fur variant I think looks exactly the same. 2 piebald female mallards, a level 7 Cape Buffalo, and I think this multi-mount's called Takeoff, and it's 2 No, it's a gold and a silver male and a silver female, and then a gold male coyote. Another pretty sweet mount. Yeah. Yeah, and I'm just gonna look for, because I think somewhere I might have a goose. Yeah. I have. Because then I could replace it with the other one, the multi-mount, I think. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. That should be able to replace it, I'm pretty sure. So I'm just trying to taxidermize that. And probably also some other of the stuff. I already have 2. I might as well. I think that's it after this one. I think that's all I'm gonna taxidermize. Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember this Roosevelt elk I thought looked really cool because it hits like super offset on its antlers. So it just looks kind of funny. And I have my gray Canadian goose, which I'm going to be replacing in the Grumpy Geese multi-mount. I think I'll probably do that in this video. Just random warthog. I might just put him somewhere for now and then move him later. Yeah, I'll just put him right here for the time being. Okay, I need to dismantle this. How do I do that again? I think I can just make it and then just switch it out, maybe. I haven't done this in a while. What? Oh, yeah, I do need to dismantle it. How do I do that? Let's see. Need to find it and retrieve it, and then I think we can dismantle it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, there. Now I should be able to get the gray one in there, so it'll at least look better. I'm gonna get that one. Where's the other one? What? Oh, I'm such an idiot. I just realized that this has to be 2 males, and the gray goose is a female. So that actually won't work, so I'll just leave it like that for now. Just wasted some money there. Whatever, we can get it back pretty easily. We'll just put that up there now. Change the pose. Nah. That looks good. So, that's pretty much it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and remember to stay hydrated.